Whoa, what is up, my rail fans? I'm back here again. I've been going between fishing a little bit more and trains, but I have been not doing it a bunch. Hold on, I'll be right back with you just a moment. Alright, I used to be running the roads, catching my friends in the KRR and the D Queen before everything changed my life. Let's get started with that. Before that, I was catching trains and I could do about everything. But now then, gas. It's the gas that what gets me at the moment. Gas is so expensive right now. It's unreal. And it's all happened because of the oil that's coming out of our oil we don't get here. Our oil used to come from what we call Russia. And so it's actually they're banned because of the war that's been going on between Ukraine, and there's other wars that's going on right now at the moment. Because now there's a war now in Israel that has now took place on October the 7th, and it happened this morning. It happened the morning. It happened on the 7th at 7 in the morning. So I really don't know if that's going to spark the gas prices up more, or might just keep them the same. I don't know. I kind of hope they drop the gas prices and stuff like that, and then I'll be out more rail fanning a lot more than what I used to do. So mostly during the times I've been out going fishing, because it is that time of the year for the crappie to start coming up into the shallows of the rivers and most of the lakes that I go fishing in around here. I mostly go to Pine Creek and these other places. But that's the reason why I've never been out rail footing as much too, is because I like to go fishing before it gets cold, and I've been hitting up these creeks, and everyone's been taking them out and using them for catfish bait. So I've never had a chance to fully go on the creeks yet at this moment. But after the nice good rains we've been having, I've been trying to hit them before everyone else does. So, because I'm a catch and release guy. So, but further here to do, I'm out here for all my rail fans out there that's watching me right now. So and of course, we'll get things going. I will tell you more. See, what kind of got me up this morning, I thought about, I want to catch a train this morning. Just because, and I heard a different train sound, a different train horn, and I kind of thought it was one of the Arkansas units that they got leased out. And then I went up exploring, and it turns out they got her a new horn. So they got a brand new horn, and I think it's. I just love doing that. Let you guys laugh. I think it's 3380. I think 3380. And so I thought about, why not come out and see the train? It's not a very long train. So I thought about, well, I'll come out, let's go see it, and see my friends on the Kiamichi Railroad as well. So, further here to do, they're going to be coming up around that ridge in a few minutes. When I go over there to right here. That's how pretty cool the bend is. So I don't know why they cleaned out that one spot there in Sawyer. So I'm thinking about maybe ask one of the boys tell me why they cleaned it out. They might give me a good information, a good reason. But further here to do. Let's get started. Let's get started and see if there's anything new that they might have put in, or if not, then they'll be put in sometime this weekend. But I've been seeing them bring in some. I've been seeing put some track feet. They're a lot thicker, a lot stronger than the old original ones. They got them in the gondolas, and they're pretty cool looking. So they haven't put it in the rail yet, but they are getting the spikes. They got the spikes and the rail feet. So pretty soon, this is going to change everything when they put this in. I hear them. They got 3 engines today, and they're heading west. So maybe sometime for you guys, I will put on. I'll put on and go to Hugo. I'm not going to do that today, but I will go to Hugo on a good day like this today, or on a nice, good, rainy, cloudy, rainy day. And then we'll film a train going all the way to Hugo like I did before. Well, they're coming. They're just right around that corner over there. Well, you can't tell me that comes from that way. They're coming from that way. Let me put you down for a moment. Let me turn the camera back around for you guys to see. You'll see them coming in a few minutes. You see him coming? And right now it is October. Yeah, I think it's October the 10th, I think. But right now, today is Tuesday, and they're coming through at 8:23 in the morning. Heading westbound to Hugo. I'm back out here on the rails. Here they come. westbound. And pretty soon they'll be gliding on the new rail. We got to see some ditch light action on the KRR. They got 2 engines with some ditch light action. But back during the time, they used to have a Mars light on the Kiamichi Railroad. I forgot the engine number, but I think I can find it. I think it's still on lease to somebody, or they might have got sold off. I don't know. But there they go. They are moving pretty quickly. They should be in Hugo at least by 12 or by less. But those are the newest boys. I never seen Eddie and Tim lately. But hopefully they're doing great. Hopefully they're doing good and better on the other section of the line. I don't know. I really don't know. I really don't know if these are transferred. I really don't know if these boys have been transferred from another company to the Kiamichi company. I don't know, but they're pretty cool. They're pretty cool. I've never seen them before, and I think they've never seen me before, or the boys might talk about me. So that if they do see me, they know that there's real fans out here. So that's pretty cool. But I do like them. I like them very much alike, and they pretty much like doing their job right now, especially running the train in the day and night. So they pretty much like that. And the one that's driving, he's pretty cool. Even the conductor in the seat, he's pretty cool. Even though I don't see him a bunch. Even though I don't see him a bunch, it's still pretty cool. But I wouldn't mind seeing him, and I wouldn't mind if he waved at me and stuff too. But hey, you can't get that all the time, but you can always get a nice good wave from the engineer. Sorry. And sometimes from the conductor. Sometimes you'll get them from both. But the good thing is never worry. Just have fun out there. Be safe when you're out rail fanning. So, alright. Alright, everyone. See you later. See you somewhere out there on the hot rails of the Kiamichi Railroad and DeQueen on the hot rails. By Marshall Price Rail Productions here. I'm going to release out some more videos for you guys to watch. But if I'm not going to post any videos at the moment or anything at all, just watch all the recent ones that y'all haven't watched and give me a lot of likes on those videos and get them up high, and then I'll look at them and then I'll post some more out for you guys. Get me up there in the K's, the M's, get me up in the thousands. Hallelujah. So this goes out there for all my rail fans out there. And be safe out there, and stuff like that. I know everyone's deals are different than others. So, I'll see you somewhere out there. Marshall Price out. That's on the KRR and the DQ&A. Oh, see you guys later. Marshall out. Thank you for watching.